Guys, my views dropped, like my channel slowed down drastically, and it all happened because of one simple mistake. Okay, I stopped posting with my normal routine. Okay, you all know that I post on a daily basis on this channel, and if you've been following me for a while now, you will know. If you are new here, I actually share a video on YouTube growth every day. Okay, so because I stopped for some time now, I think it's about a week. Okay, over a week now, I've just been posting randomly but not using my normal routine, and it has cost me a lot on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what happened and why consistency is not just a joke, guys, and how losing your routine can actually cost you a lot. I mean, everything you've worked for, and gladly how you can actually spring back up. Okay, so if you ever felt like YouTube is punishing your channel, I think this might be why. Okay, this might be exactly why or what is wrong with your own channel, and you will not know up until now. So if this kind of video you want to watch, please feel free to continue watching, and you can subscribe to the channel as well. Now type yes in the comments if you have ever broken your routine and saw your views crash. Okay, let's talk about it together. Okay, I think this is something that most YouTubers don't really say. A lot of new YouTubers go through that, they don't really have people to talk about it with. So we're going to be discussing everything today, guys. So when I started posting daily, my channel grew very fast. In just few hours, even with less than 500 subscribers, I would get a lot of views, guys. In 24 hours or more, at least before 48 hours, YouTube would recommend my videos fast. And you know what YouTube recommendations does to your video? Sometimes I'll get over 100 views, sometimes 200 views, sometimes 80 views in just 24 hours or 48 hours. There's this particular video where I shared about removing CapCut watermark, and in space of 2 days, I got over 300 subscribers, as in views, and subscribers was coming in from that video, and more, a lot of other videos like that. Okay, so these past few days that I've not been able to stay with my routine or the consistency in my routine, is that it has actually affected my channel. It's not as if I decided not to post. Okay, I had some issues that I was actually dealing with, and stress and all of that. I was extremely busy. Okay, so I could not post for these few days. Unlike before, that viewers actually knows when to expect my videos, and so does the algorithm. Do you understand? So I have a routine. I will post every day at 7:15 p.m. West African time. So that rhythm actually built momentum, and YouTube actually rewarded it a lot. So if you are thinking or you've been wondering if consistency pays or not, yes, guys, it does pays. Okay, it pays a lot. If you go through my channel, you will see that my previous videos have more views than these last videos. Let's say the last video I dropped, at least the last 6 videos I dropped, you will observe that they are very low. On this channel, I've never gotten anything less than 50 views. All my videos are above 50, but for the past few days that I've not been obeying my routine, guys, is even less. I got 33 views. It's even less, guys. I got about 33 views as my lowest views. That's something that is not even, my channel is not even used to. Okay, my channel gets 33 views in less than 12 hours. This one, it has been days and it's still like that. So I think the routine actually affected my YouTube algorithm on my own part, because my normal routine actually trained YouTube to expect from me and my audience too. So it was really working. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is, if you have a routine, please stick to it. Okay, this is how much my own routine has actually affected me. So if you know you have a routine, please stick to it. So when I got busy and unable to post, normally I always batch film. I always say it here. If you're following me, you will know. I think that's one of the issues. Okay, because I always create videos, like 6 videos in one sitting. So sometimes I had chance to create video, like one video, but I would just say no. I'll just sit and create it tomorrow. I don't want to be creating one video per day. You understand? That was part of the reason why it delayed to this point. So I'm advising you guys, if you had chance to shoot your videos, even if it's one, please go ahead and film it. Okay, because it's really helps. I know some of you will say, why did I not film at night? I don't really like filming at night because I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and the whole stress of the day will be really telling on me, and I don't want to be doing videos at night and repeating myself and all of that. So I don't really film at night. Night is when I edit and rest. Okay, so when I missed one video, before you know, it became 2 days, 3 days, and all of that. So it actually affected the engagement. But the only thing that didn't slow down is my watch hours. Okay, if you check my last video, when I said I posted 66 video and I got 547 watch hours, right? But as at the time of recording this video, it's almost 577 views, like 20 hours added to it already, guys. That did not slow down. Okay, in just a space of how many days, I've been able to move from 547 watch hours to over 570 something, almost 78 watch hours, even without uploading a single video. That means my previous videos have been keeping my channel alive. Do you understand? So this is why it's good to have a lot of videos on your channel so that they can be helping you engage your channel when you are having challenges like this. Do you understand? So YouTube stopped pushing my content more and recommending it more, unlike before that all of the videos were being pushed by YouTube recommendations. Now it's just they're being pushed by small browse features, search. Not because my content is bad now, but because of I was inconsistent. YouTube actually enjoys consistency, okay? Like I told you before, YouTube is a marketplace and it's only those sellers that are ready to attend to buyers that YouTube will actually prioritize. Do you understand? But here's the truth, guys. YouTube is loyal to creators. Creators that are loyal to their audience, YouTube is actually very loyal to them. So when you stop showing up, so does YouTube stop showing up for you. So this is why you've not been able to have your viral moment. This is why your channel is still stagnant, because you get tired, you get busy, you get life happens, and you leave your channel. Okay, when you post on a routine, guys, you are building viewers habits. Your audience start checking your channels on specific days, even without realizing it, because I mean your notifications keep popping up. But when that pattern breaks, guys, so does your audience. And if your audience is not watching your video, then YouTube has no reason to push your videos. Okay, now the algorithm favors signals, it favors watch time, it favors click-through rate, your average view duration, and all of that. And it's your routine posting that boosts all of these things. Do you understand? Knowing when to post and when your audience should expect you. Do you understand? If there are no routine, then your signals and your algorithm will just fall apart. Your channel will just be there. So always have a strategy. Every big creator you see out there, they have a strategy. There are a lot of them that post on a daily basis, some post on 3 days basis, some post weekly basis, but they always maintain that their rhythm of posting. Do you understand? So when I saw that my analytics was going down, then I knew I had to fix it. But I said, let me share it to you guys first, okay? That is why I'm making this video, to share it to my fellow growing creators, so that you will not make the same mistake. Do you understand me? So if you have the chance, please make sure you focus on your channel. And this my channel is actually growing very well, and I don't want to ruin my channel. So I now mapped out some plans, okay, some solutions I'm going to be putting into this challenge. Do you understand? And I would like to share the plans to you. Good part is that on YouTube you can fix anything. Okay, nothing is forever broken here. So if you are going through the same challenges, this is the best time to take note. Okay, now the solution I'm going to be putting into this is I will go back to my posting schedule. Okay, I'll batch film. If I cannot batch film, I will do a single filming, because the channel is growing, and I'm enjoying all of this growth. I don't want it to slide. I mean, I've worked so much on this channel, and I know you've worked for years too. So batch film if you have to, or post a single video if you have to. And something else I want to do, which I've always been doing, is to plan my videos ahead, at least post at least 2 weeks or 1 week ahead, so that before that 1 week or 2 weeks elapse, I'll be able to do other videos or create other videos and edit. Okay, so that's my personal routine system that I've planned to go back to. I've been sharing it before. This is how I've been able to be consistent: batch filming and batch editing, just doing everything before that time up front. You understand? So guys, I know some people will say, why did I not film? Why did I stop? A lot of us have the same challenges. Let's be real with ourselves. I mean, life happens, okay? So there are times you just get busy, get tired, get stressed, and you cannot really do the things you are doing. But please, let's batch film, take breaks, but don't disappear. Okay, make sure you have videos that you can actually use to cover up for those times that you will not be around. That thing I will advise you is, please create a routine that you can actually stick with. Okay, a flexible one for you. If you want to post once a week, you can actually follow that routine diligently. If you want to post daily, please do so. But always make sure you take a routine that is very, very acceptable by you. All of this is what I've observed for some days that I've been offline now, guys, and I decided to share. So what is it you've been going through in your own channel? What is that challenge that has been making your channel slow down? I would like you to tell me about it. So let's discuss it over the comment section. If it's the first time in my channel, my name is Joy Ubewe, and on this channel I create videos about tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. So you can go through my videos because they'll be very helpful. So this is where I'm going to stop for today. I'll still let you know if all of these strategies or when they start working, because definitely they will work. That's what I've been using before. So I'll let you know when the strategy starts working and when the views start kicking back. So thank you all for watching. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Okay, bye for now.